Hello, my friends. After we have successfully added the libraries, we need now to start building our layout and start moving to the MVVM architecture and then adding the paging, dagger, and testing the app. So the first step is start building our layout. By the way, in this course or in this section for the paging app, I will start pasting the codes of the layouts or things that we have talked much in the previous videos in order to save time, and source codes are available to download in the resources folder below. Don't worry, I want from you to concentrate on the main topics, on the main goal of making this section, and which is the paging library. So I will paste the things that we are going to use, and as I told you, there is the resources folder or the source code is available in the resources folder. So our app will contain only one activity that displays and which contains a recycler view. Okay, so I can remove this toolbar and I will put here activity, and you can make whatever you want. You can put a toolbar or you don't. Okay, this is the recycler view for the movies. This is for our layout. Now, I need to create other two layouts here. Layout resource file. I will name it as load state item. Click enter, split the code, and here I will copy and paste my linear layout. So this is my linear layout. Okay, contains the progress bar, the text view, and the button. This button is called telling us to retry. This is the progress bar, and this is the text view. Again, I will create another layout resources called single movie item. Split the code and paste it. Sorry, not this. This is the code. It's contained in a card view. It's elevation 4, corner radius 4, orientation vertical. It contains an image view here. It contains also another image view here, which is here. And this is the text view. So the image view, the big image view, the small image view, and the text view here. Okay, this is for the rating, this is for the image view movie, and this is the IC image. This is drawable. I will create it now. So I will click Alt plus enter, create resource, drawable resource file. Click OK, and I will paste this. So this is the file for the IC image. Okay, you can download it from the resources folder in below. It's called IC image. Okay, so till now we have finished everything for the layout. I will see you in the next